Are you tired of your videos being blurry? These are the exact Premiere Pro export settings I use for ultra crisp quality. So head to export. We're gonna export every video in 4K. 4K just gives the best quality possible. Make sure your format is in HEVC, H.265. Click your video settings. Make sure it is at render at maximum depth. Use render maximum render quality. Frame sampling. For me, I use software encoding due to being on a MacBook. If you have a PC, I would highly recommend hardware encoding. Everything else stays the same. Then for bitrate encoding, I use CBR and target bitrate around 35. Now the reason why I like to use H.265 as well as 30 megabits per second is because it is a smaller size without compromising much of the quality. Quality, we like to have the highest, which is the slowest. Audio stays normal. Multiplexer use MP4. Captions are toggled off. Effects are toggled off. We have metadata, it's set at the default, and then general settings are as follows. So that is my export settings, and follow for more video editing tips.